Do they bring free batteries? No, you have to get your own batteries. Putting the battery on is easy. So here it says, so the side, I always see the sign. So what is it? So plus is this side and minus is this side for the first one. It's minus. Plus, below one. Minus is this side, plus is this side. This one, this is a plus, this is minus. What is that? Oh, it's already printed inside the rigid alama. Okay, and the last one, this is minus and this plus this. So we just close it. So done. So this is what we get in the screen. Okay, oh, that's a lot. There's the time here, the way the setup is. The sound, Type of Azan. So do we set like this? Oh, I just click this one here, it shows. Cool. What time is it now? So I just click this button on this one screen. It's 12:07, so let's set it up to 12:07. So I don't know, I didn't read the guide, but let's let's use logic. So it's 12, right? So I click the button again and it shows the out time. And then I see 07. Oops. I click set. Oh. So what is this? The day. So it's 9th of October. So this October. Yeah, this October. Yeah. As soon as I change that, it changes the name October. 9th of October 2022. It says Saudi Arabia. I don't know why it says that. So maybe change the country. So I need to click up. Yes, okay. City. I city. Dot fog, up, until I came to city. And I changed the city now. I click set. I have to keep on clicking. Okay, China. So let's go to Canada. Now I have to go up. I got it. We're pressing this button. The top, you see here, the top here, until we reach to the city. So the screen will change. Because the city came. Maghrib, Fajr, city. We press on this button. نضغط على زر الوسط. Keep on pressing it. And we reach to the country here. So as I said, we change the countries. غير الدولة. Up and down. This is like, I don't know what this is. Algeria. So I go up. Click on the up button to see. And I click on the middle button. So send me the cities. That was country. Canada was a country. Now this is a city. So I'm in Toronto. So I click up, change the city to مثلا Vancouver. Click down, it shows Toronto, and this is how I set up the city. So my city is Toronto. Done. City completed. Now it's 12:48. 22 degrees Celsius, is it? If it's 22 degrees, then it's time to go outside. So, and then here the date, Fajr, shows 6 a.m. And the date is not Sunday, الأحد. Done. Okay. مع الأذان هنا. So I keep on clicking on this until you change the Adhan tab. So I keep on clicking this button. So to stop it, I click down. To change the Adhan, see? Up. And first I have to click up and then down and up, whatever.
متنوعة.
So to set up, I click set. Okay.
أذان مصر.
So again, just ضغط لنا. Keep on pressing on this so you can change it. Adhan. So keep on pressing. And I change using the up button here.
أذانات. الله أكبر الله.
القدس. Egypt. مصر. And then set, I click on this. That's it.
أذان مصر.
So now it's ready. So I hope you guys understand and you like the videos. It's really short, and instead of going to the guide, and all this information, I just made it clear and easy for you guys. The steps, just using these buttons, and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it's useful to you guys. So in case if you need anything and you guys have any questions about this clock, just comment below, and I will do it in another video. I'll collect all what you guys want, and I'll do another video. So just don't forget to share, subscribe, like, and share it with all Muslim brothers and sisters in order for them to buy this clock. I'll put the link below the video where to buy it. In case if you buy through this link, you guys will help me out. So don't forget to share, subscribe, like, and thank you for watching.